Mae'r boys yn hapus iawn, mae'n tŵn bach o pwysau off y sgwyddau. Mae rediad galed, da ni yn dod, felly o'n i'n gwybod y pwysigrwydd o'r gêm yma, felly mae'n gred i ennill.
We had a couple of chances early doors, and then their three best chances came from our corner, and our free kick. So it's just like lack of concentration in there. We played some really good stuff without creating. I think second half we kind of dominated the game. The comedy of errors, the second goal, and it can't help at this level. We're giving too many silly ones away, and then not scoring the other end. I think we dominate possession without creating as much. And at the end, yes, we threw everything at them, but shouldn't be in that position before.
Andrew, first goals of the season, first point of the season with a win, and how happy are you with that?
Yeah, of course, really delighted. We believed in what we're doing. We knew it was going to come. We knew obviously Aberystwyth was going to cause a lot of problems because the way they sort of put the pressure on our box, we had to defend that at times today. But overall, I thought we deserved the win overall. Yeah.